Welcome to Green Sand Interactive. The objective of this tutorial is to determine the active clay content in the sand sample. It consists of Part A, determination of MB value of bentonite, and Part B, determination of active clay in green sand sample. For this, we require a weighing balance with least count of 1 mg, dried bentonite sample, dried sand sample, burette, a bulb pipette 2 ml, 0.01 normal MB solution, 5 normal H2SO4 solution, a stopwatch, magnetic stirrer, hot plate, glass rod, filter paper, Wattman number 50 or equivalent, tetrasodium pyrophosphate solution 2%. Part A, to determine methylene blue value of bentonite. Step 1. Weigh accurately 4.5 gram of washed silica sand along with 0.5 gram sample previously dried at 105 ± 5 degrees Celsius. Step 2. Add the sample to 50 ml distilled water and 50 ml of 2% tetrasodium pyrophosphate solution. Gently boil for 10 minutes. Step 3. Remove from hot plate and cool. Add 2 ml of 5 normal H2SO4 solution. Step 4. Put the magnetic bar in the solution. Keep the beaker on magnetic stirrer and switch on. Step 5. Fill the burette with methylene blue solution 0.01 N and adjust the zero mark. Step 6. Add 80 to 90% of estimated methylene blue solution 0.01 N. The suspension is then stirred for 2 minutes. Dip the glass rod in the suspension and place a drop on the filter paper to test the presence of blue-green halo. Step 7. The sample is titrated by methylene blue in 1 ml increments, followed each time by 2 minutes of stirring until a blue-green halo appears, surrounding the dark spot of the filter paper. Step 8. The end point is then checked by giving suspension another 2 minutes stirring and transferring a drop to the filter paper to be sure that the halo persists. This indicates the completion of the titration. Note down this burette reading. Step 9. Note down the volume of methylene blue consumed. Methylene blue value is equal to burette reading for bentonite into 2. Methylene blue reference factor is equal to 1 divided by methylene blue value. Part B, to determine the active clay content. Step 1. Weigh accurately 5 gram dried at 110 degrees Celsius and cool sample. Step 2. Transfer it to a 250 ml beaker containing 50 ml distilled water. Step 3. Add 50 ml of 2% tetrasodium pyrophosphate to the solution. Step 4. Heat to boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Remove from hot plate and cool. Fill the burette with 0.01 N methylene blue solution and adjust the zero mark. Step 5. Add 2 ml of 5 normal H2SO4 solution and put the magnetic bar in the solution. Keep the beaker on the magnetic stirrer and switch it on. Step 6. Add 80 to 90% of the estimated methylene blue solution 0.01 N. The suspension is then stirred for 2 minutes. Step 7. Dip a glass rod in the suspension and place a drop on the filter paper to test the presence of blue-green halo. Step 8. The sample is titrated with methylene blue in 1 ml increment, followed by 2 minutes stirring until a blue-green halo appears, surrounding the dark spot on the filter paper. Note down the volume of the methylene blue consumed. Step 9. To calculate active clay content, use the formula burette reading multiplied by a reference factor divided by sample weight, the whole multiplied by 100, where RF is equal to reference factor for methylene blue. Preparation of methylene blue solution. Prepare MB solution by taking 3.729 gram of MB powder in 1 liter for methylene blue trihydrate. For dihydrate, use 3.55 gram and 3.39 gram for monohydrate. Some of the precautions while doing this analysis are: use calibrated burette. In the later stages of the titration, use incremental addition of 1 ml followed by 2 minutes stirring to ensure the completion of the titration. Avoid direct handling of methylene blue powder as it is a strong dye. Take care while stirring the sample bentonite solution to avoid spilling. So this is how you determine the active clay content in the sand sample.